Tired of painful hair removal methods? If so, you're not alone. Today, I'll introduce you to a painless hair removal technique. Best of all, it only takes 5 minutes. Get ready for silky smooth skin without any pain or wax. We all know the discomfort of traditional shaving and waxing. Razors can leave cuts, causing redness and bumps. Waxing pulls hair out from the root, leaving skin sore. Thankfully, there's an alternative that's both gentler and quicker. So, what is wax-free hair removal? It uses a gentle cream or gel designed for easy use. Instead of cutting or pulling, it softens hair, making the removal process quick. You'll wipe away hair effortlessly. Most importantly, your skin remains calm and irritation-free. Let's break down how it works in just 5 minutes. First, apply a thin, even layer of cream on clean skin. Choose an area where you want hair removed. Next, let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes. During this time, the formula works to soften the hair. After the waiting period, grab a soft cloth. Gently wipe away the cream along with the hair. Then, rinse the area well with water. Finish by applying a light moisturizer. Within minutes, you'll have smooth, hair-free skin. This method is fantastic for those with sensitive skin. It avoids pulling, burning, or razor burns. Many creams contain soothing ingredients, like aloe vera or vitamin E. These components help calm and nourish your skin while removing hair. To ensure safety while using these products, always conduct a patch test. Apply a small amount to your skin first. Follow the instructions provided by the product carefully. Avoid using hair removal cream on irritated or broken skin. A gentle moisturizer afterward keeps your skin healthy and soft. If you're looking for an effective alternative to painful waxing or razor bumps, try this method. It's fast, easy, and unbelievably painless. Experience the joy of beautiful, smooth skin in just a few minutes. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple beauty and self-care tips. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple beauty and self-care tips.